Hey, I'm Dilhan.
And I'm Peter, and we're the founders of Urban Plant Growers. And today, we're inviting you to invest in us.
Peter left his job at Microsoft, and I quit my engineering job in renewable energy so that we could help solve the problems of food waste, food miles, and food security, issues which are now more critical than ever. Agriculture accounts for over 70% of Australia's freshwater consumption, food transport makes up 6% of our greenhouse gas emissions, and over 30% of food is wasted before it even reaches supermarket shelves. By 2050, we'll be required to grow over 60% more food to account for our growing population. This will become increasingly difficult as climate change makes it harder to grow food, worsening our food security.
We're doing our part to try and solve this problem. Our indoor gardening technologies use 90% less water, no sunlight, and produce amazing yields. Fresh grown food right at the point of consumption. Since launching, we've been blown away by the response. We've grown over 400% in the last 2 years, selling over 50,000 products in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. We sold out in the UK in just a couple months, and we've formed some amazing wholesale partnerships.
The indoor gardening market is rapidly expanding, and we're the clear market leaders in Australia and New Zealand. We're laser focused on our customer experience, product development, and sustainability goals. Up until now, we've completely self-funded Urban Plant Growers, reinvesting all of our profits into growth. We've built a loyal community of customers who are passionate about our product and mission. But now, we're ready to take things to the next level.
We're extremely excited to invite you to become a shareholder of our future. With the money invested, we'll expand into Europe and North America and build products to revolutionize the indoor growing industry and improve food security for everyone. For as little as $250, you can become an Urban Plant Grower shareholder.
So what do you say, Australia? Together we can feed the world and build a greener tomorrow.
Get on board and register your interest today for exclusive early bird access.